If you've ever needed to silence a noisy Google Meet call without touching your whole computer volume, this quick Chrome trick is going to save you a lot of time. In this video, I'll show you how to mute a Google Meet tab in Chrome in just a few seconds and how to unmute it whenever you want the audio back. This is super helpful if you're joining a meeting in the background, listening to something else, or just want more control over your browser audio. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tips and step-by-step guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. This works right inside the Chrome browser, so there's no need to install anything extra or change complicated settings. Once Chrome is open, go to Google Meet and join your meeting, or open the meeting tab if it's already running. Make sure the Google Meet tab is active and easy to find at the top of your browser. Now look at the Google Meet tab in Chrome. At the top of the window, find the tab that has your meeting open. This is the tab you want to control. Right-click on that tab to open the small Chrome menu. You'll see several options appear, and this menu gives you direct control over that specific site. From that menu, click Mute Site. As soon as you select it, Chrome will mute the audio coming from the Google Meet tab. You should also notice a small speaker icon with a line through it on the tab, which tells you the site is muted. This means the meeting audio will no longer play through that tab, even if the meeting is still running. This is especially useful if you're multitasking and don't want the meeting sound interrupting you. It also helps if another tab, app, or video needs your attention. Instead of changing your system's sound settings or leaving the meeting in, you can manage the audio right from Chrome in a clean, simple way. If you want the sound back later, unmuting is just as easy. Go back to the same Google Meet tab, right-click it again, and then click Unmute Site. The audio will return immediately and your meeting sound will play normally again. It's a fast switch, so you can mute and unmute whenever needed without any hassle. One helpful tip is that this method mutes the site in Chrome, not just one individual meeting moment. So if you come back to the same tab later, the mute setting may still be there until you manually change it back. That's why it's a good idea to remember where the speaker icon is, so you can quickly tell whether the tab is muted or not. And that's it. You now know how to mute a Google Meet tab in Chrome and unmute it anytime you need audio again. It's one of those simple browser tricks that can make a big difference when you're working, studying, or joining meetings throughout the day. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.